Is your Windows plus Alt plus R not working? This is how to fix it. First thing you want to do, open your Windows and search for your settings. Then click on it, then go to System, then scroll down to where you can see System Components. Then click on it. Then go to where you see the game bar, click on the three dots and go to Advanced Settings. Then scroll down to where you see Reset and Repair. You want to repair the component or the app. If that doesn't work, you want to reset it. It's going to take you a couple of minutes. After reset, restart your PC. So you can click Windows Alt and R. You can see it's recording my screen. If you find this video useful, give me a like and comment more if you want to see more of this type of videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.